Your next service appointment? It's designed to drain your wallet, not save your engine. After 20 years in the shop, I'm exposing 15 critical maintenance moves you need at 50,000 miles. The stuff your service manual won't tell you, because manufacturers make more money when you return at 80,000 miles paying for catastrophic repairs. One trick costs $14, takes 10 minutes, and can stop a $3,000 engine failure before it even starts. Let's break it down. Number 15, rotate and balance tires. Everyone knows rotation, but here's the secret. Rotation without balancing is useless. By 50,000 miles, tiny impacts from potholes or curbs throw your wheels off balance. That vibration travels through your suspension, wearing out ball joints 200 to 400 each, tie rods and wheel bearings 350 to 600 each. Rotating and balancing your tires every 50,000 miles costs $60 to $100 and protects thousands in suspension repairs. Number 14, clean fuel injectors. Your injectors are clogging right now. Carbon deposits disrupt the spray pattern, causing rough idle, misfires, poor fuel economy. Replacement? $300 to $500 per injector. A full set? $1,200 to $4,000. A professional cleaning at 50,000 miles keeps your engine smooth and prevents massive repair bills. Number 13, flush brake fluid. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time. Too much water lowers boiling point. Your brakes fail in emergencies. Flush every 50,000 miles, $80 to $120. Fresh fluid protects your entire brake system. Safety first. Quick question, have you ever had brake failure from old fluid? Comment yes or no below. If this advice is saving you money and headaches, hit subscribe now. Number 12, replace serpentine belt. This one belt powers your alternator, water pump, AC, and power steering. Signs of failure? Squealing, cracks, fraying, or glazing. Ignore them and you risk overheating, blown head gasket, and $2,900 in repairs. Replacement? $150, far cheaper than the alternative. Number 11, inspect coolant hoses. Rubber degrades inside. Burst hoses equals instant overheating, possible warped heads. Check for soft spots, cracks, or bulges. Replace if any concern. $100 to $200 versus $2,500 for head repairs. Number 10, service your differential. Rear, all-wheel, or four-wheel drive, your differential needs fresh oil. Whining noises, grinding gears equals time to service. Cost $100 to $150 versus $1,500 to $3,000 for a rebuild. Number 9, change transmission fluid. Lifetime fluid? Myth. Old ATF fails to lubricate or cool, causing slipping and hard shifts. Shop trick? Dirty fluid hides worn clutches, but replacement prevents $4,000 rebuilds. Change every 50,000 miles. Number 8, replace PCV valve. Cost $15 to $40. Time 5 minutes. A clogged PCV valve equals rough idle, oil burning, damaged catalytic converter, $1,200 to $2,500. DIY and prevent massive engine damage. Number 7, inspect and replace bushings. Bushings cushion suspension components. Worn bushings equals clunks, loose steering, and accelerated wear on control arms and tie rods. Cost $200 to $400. Waiting until full failure? $800 to $1,500. Number 6, clean throttle body. Throttle body clogged with carbon equals rough idle, low power, poor fuel economy. Clean yourself in 15 minutes, $8. Engine runs smoother, throttle response improves, hundreds saved. Number 5, replace cabin air filter. Clogged filter strains blower motor, reduces airflow, lowers AC and heater efficiency. DIY cost $10 to $20, 5 to 10 minutes. Dealer charges $60 to $100. Clean air equals cheaper, healthier cabin. Number 4, clay bar and seal paint. Removes contaminants invisible to the eye. Clay bar plus sealant equals $50 to $90. Protects paint, prevents $4,500 repaint bills. Number 3, deep clean interior. Interior deterioration equals $3,000 to $5,000 loss in resale value. Leather conditioner, fabric protectant, UV protection equals cheap insurance for resale. Number 2, flush power steering fluid. Contaminated fluid equals pump and rack failure.
Flush at 50,000 miles equals $100 versus $1,200 repair. Listen for whining, stiff steering, or leaks. Number 1. Engine carbon cleaning. By 50,000 miles, your engine has significant carbon buildup. Direct injection engines are worse. Symptoms: rough idle, reduced power, poor fuel economy. Professional cleaning equals $400, prevents $3,000 to $8,000 repairs. Engine runs like new. You just learned 15 services that cost a few hundred but prevent thousands. Check your serpentine belt, flush fluids, clean carbon, protect suspension in interior. Even perfect maintenance can't fix bad fuel. Like, subscribe, comment, and protect your car before it costs you a fortune.